Look at that. Welcome back, you guys, to another day of Vlogmas. Yes, we still hanging in there, and I heard you miss me. Okay, let me stop harassing y'all. Okay? I'm gonna leave y'all alone. But listen, you guys, welcome back to my channel, CaliReddGlam. If you're new, please join, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell, you guys, so that you will know every time I upload, because I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas. But anyway, today I'm cooking. I'm just making some simple spaghetti, and I'm making some salmon. Hey guys, and while I cook, yes, here we go. Cheers. Okay. I bought this yesterday while I was out. And it is really good. I love the green apple flavor. It is so good. It's a sriracha salt. I got some Cajun. I need some blackened season. I wonder if I still got some more. Look at that. It's season. Put this lemon pepper on there. But I'm gonna start with the Mrs. Dash first. Ooh, some Old Bay. Here, a little bit of salt. Putting some ground white pepper. I know y'all thinking like, this is a lot. It is. I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper on there. Some EVOO. Put it all on there. Guys, so I have the little rosemaries on there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive.
That the UK does a really, really good job with shows that represent the diaspora.
Yeah, because I watched some of them. Well, actually, they may not be from London, but I have watched a few of them. Basically, I can see what she's talking about. But that is Jessie. She's talking about her trip to Miami. She's titled it TJ Holmes Caught Red, and that's the guy from Good Morning America who cheated on his wife with his coworker Amy. And I was just thinking to myself about this the other day because I saw a story on it. He fumbled that bag. How you getting money? But then you fumble it because of a piece of for some dumb shit. You get what I'm saying? And I'm just like shocked. Like, really, you fumbled your good ass job, fumbled a really huge bag. It just goes to show you non-brain energy. You didn't think that was gonna come out? So I'm about to listen to whatever else information that Jessie has come up on. I'm gonna let this salmon cook up a little bit longer. I had a Target order. I just realized that I should have just went to Target myself because I'm vlogging. I'm doing Vlogmas. Like, hold on, I'm doing Vlogmas. Why I didn't go to Target? Because I needed to go in Target to get toys for the girls for Christmas. But anyway, I'm getting some Delight Caramel Macchiato from Target. I just did it like a DoorDash order. Kool-Aid Jammers. A half a gallon of milk. Some bread for these sandwiches. Ooh, this is what I should make instead of the spaghetti. Some marshmallows. And I got Cool Whip, some sharp cheddar cheese. And the last thing is some Parmesan. I put oil on it. I let it sit for a minute so it's really like got a nice little crisp to it. Yes. And with this rosemary, I know it smells so good, for real. Look at that. I wanted them crispy edges. Ooh, yes. And then look at it on the inside. It's going down. I'm gonna put these in here. Some people break them, some people don't. So yeah, I don't break them. I just let them go and cook in as usual, okay? I'm done. I'm about to take this down. This is my favorite type of salad. Simple, just spinach and feta. That's how I love it, okay? That's it. I don't like my salad like with a lot of stuff. Yes, Parmesan's on top, baby. And then that salmon with the rosemary. Chefs, kiss me. Yeah. So my meal was real good. Or whatever. Just letting y'all know. But y'all can come to my house because I ain't got enough plates, okay? Only got 4 plates, so I can't feed all y'all, okay? Nah, let me stop. I ended up buying this yesterday. Donated to, like a little toy drive. Why is it guns in there? When I get up tomorrow, I'm going straight back to Dollar General. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.